Hi friends, today in this video we are going to learn how we can learn the periodic table. Yes, you hear it correctly. The full periodic table in less than 10 minutes. So let's get started. Whenever I come across any YouTube video on periodic table, they always tell you some story in which we have to remember periodic table this way. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium. But this is the way in which they are telling you to remember the periodic table period wise. The best way of remembering the periodic table is along the group, like this way, up to down. Okay, so now I am going to tell you a very interesting and easy story which will help you to remember the full periodic table fast. Are you ready to learn the story? So let's get started. In this story we have three characters. Two characters are talking over phone and third character is about whom they are talking. So this guy makes a call to his friend. His friend's name is Lisa. He says, "Hello Lisa, someday pick Rose please." Okay, so hello is hydrogen, Lisa lithium, someday sodium, pick potassium and Rose rubidium. Okay, in the end of the story we'll come to know who is this Rose. Lisa seems to be a very nice girl, so she answers the phone. "Hello Neil," that guy's name is Neil. "Anytime, call, see you." Hello helium, Neil neon, anytime argon, call krypton, see you xenon. So guys, Lisa has agreed to pick Rose, but after that she explains, but Monday cannot because some work from boss. Looks like she is very busy in her office. But beryllium, Monday magnesium, can't calcium, some work strontium, boss barium. Other than that, the last element we need not to remember because that's the radioactive element. She goes further to explain what important work she is having. So she says, pick assignment, got to introduce Thor. Looks like she is doing some assignment in which she is going to introduce the character Thor. Big boron, assignment aluminium, got to gallium, introduce indium, Thor, thallium. Since I told you Neil is a very cute guy, so he say, I can see getting a lot of load. Can, carbon, see, silicon, getting germanium, tons of tin, load lead. So this guy understands his friend's problem about she's unable to pick the Rose because she is very busy. Then he tries to solve his problem. He says, no problem, I'll ask small brother. So instead of Lisa, he will try his brother picking up Rose. So he says, no nitrogen, problem phosphorus, ask arsenic, small antimony, brother bismuth. Since her friend is very nice, so Lisa answers, oh, so sweet, tell him thanks please. She's trying to express that this guy should thank his brother for picking the Rose. O, oxygen, so, sulfur, sweet, selenium, tell him thanks, tellurium, please, polonium. So now the mystery reveals. So guys, who was this Rose actually? Rose was a fish. So maybe they had to just clean the fish tank and pick the fish from somewhere. So the last thing is fishes can't breathe in air. Fishes fluorine, can't chlorine, breathe bromine, in iodine, and air is astutic. So this is the periodic table story. Okay. I hope you guys found this story very interesting. Now, as I promised you that it is better to always remember periodic table group wise, the way we are trying to do lengthwise. So let us see which properties of periodic table we can learn by remembering it in this way. Whole periodic table actually depends upon the atomic numbers. Here you can see, remember the story, hi Lisa, someday pick rose, right? So now hydrogen atomic number 1. All you need to remember, guys, all you need to remember is that when this is first group, okay, this is the first line of periodic table, so this is the first group, okay, you write first element atomic number 1. Actually you need not to remember periodic number of the atomic number of anything. What you can do is, you should know that if you are belonging to first group, that means that last electron in each shell will be 1. So all you need to do is you fill the inner shells. So 1, then you write 2 and 1, then you say 2, 8 and 1, then you say 2, 8, 8 and 1, and then you simply say 2, 8, 8, 18 and 1. Now see, you need not to remember atomic number. 1, you write 1 as such. 2 plus 1, 3. Atomic number of lithium is 3. 2 plus 8 plus 1. Atomic number of sodium 11. 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 1. Atomic number of potassium is 19. And then 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 18 plus 1. That goes to 37 total. So that is the atomic number of rubidium. See how easy it is. You need not to remember atomic number. You actually need not to remember even the electronic configuration. All you need to do is, the outermost shell will have only one electron. Since the outermost shell is having only one electron, so the valency of all these elements will be plus 1. Let's see some another groups. Okay, so these are second group elements. Okay, why they are second group elements? Because their outer shell contain only 2 electrons. Now as in case of first group, for second group also, what I have done is, instead of writing 2, 1, I wrote 2, 2, then 2, 8, 2, then 2, 8, 8, 2, then 2, 8, 8, 18 and 2, then 2, 8, 8, 18, 18 and 2. Again, you need not to remember the atomic number. Why? Because simply you can do 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 4 is the atomic number. 2 plus 8 plus 2, 12. 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 2, 20. 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 18 plus 2, 38. Same way, 2 plus 8 plus 8 plus 18 plus 18 plus 2 is 56, which is the atomic number of each and every thing. So first column tells me about the atomic number and the second column tells me about the electronic configuration. Since these elements had outermost electron, outermost shell has only 2 electrons, so their valency will be 2. Okay, so the same way you can try and write the outer electronic configuration for each and every group. For lower classes, we should always bother only about the first group, second group. After that you should directly jump to 13 group. Okay, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are total 18 groups in the periodic table. In the next slide I'll explain you little more further. So in this slide you can see very clearly. Now I'm putting the periodic table one more time. So we can see that first group elements, okay, first group elements, they will all have valency 1. In this case we will say if they have valency 1, they can lose 1 electron. Why? There is a biggest property of all the elements. They all wants to have same electronic configuration as of this group. This is called noble gases: helium, neon, argon, krypton and xenon. This electronic configuration all the elements of the periodic table want. They want these magic number 2, either 2 or 2, 8 or 2, 8, 8 or 2, 8, 8, 18 or 2, 8, 8, 18, 18. These are the magic numbers. Now since the first group elements, they had 1 extra electron than the noble group, you can compare the electronic configuration. So they will lose 1 electron. So we will say they will mostly they will have charge of plus 1. Same way, second group elements, they will have 2 electrons extra than magic number. So they will lose 2 electrons and they will have the tendency to get the electronic configuration as that of the 18th group. Now, as I told, we will skip in between groups, these ones. These are called transition elements. We are right now not bothered about them. We'll quickly jump to group number 13. Okay, so group number 13, you remember, they will all have valency plus 3. Okay, group number 14, now they cannot lose 4 electron, they cannot gain 4 electron. We just say that their valency is 4. Okay, group number 15, now there is a thing, losing 5 electrons is very, very difficult. So instead of losing 5 electron to become like noble gas, instead they will gain 3 electrons. That is why we are writing their electronic configuration, their charge as minus 3. Similarly, for group for the next group, 16th group, we will say minus 2. For 17th group, we will say minus 1. And then lastly, we are having noble gases. For them, we will say charge is 0. You can simply take one periodic table, write the periodic table as per our story. Okay, I'll quickly narrate the story one more time. Hello Lisa, sometime pick Rose. Hey Neil, anytime, see you. But Monday can't, some important work from boss. Okay, like that. So that was our story, and you can remember very, very simply group number 1 plus 1, group number 2 plus 3 plus 2, group number 13 plus 3, group number 14 4, group number 15 minus 3, 16 minus 2, 17 minus 1 and 18 0. So I hope you guys enjoyed the periodic table story. If you like the periodic table story, please like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel for many more videos like this. Thank you for now. Thank you.